So we're taking a break on our trip. We're almost, I think we're a little over a mile now. We're just stopping to take a little break. In the first video, I don't think I talked about what we're wearing. It's pretty warm outside, so I just have on just a regular Nike shirt. I have on some shorts, some socks, just like so the bushes and stuff don't prick me, and then just some tennis shoes. This is the you can't really see it well on our point of view, but this is the map of the trail we're on. They have it labeled out because people are actually out here canoeing too. Yeah. And now I'm gonna show you my knots. I'm gonna start off with the single hitch knot. This is the single hitch knot. And then for my next knot, I'm gonna do the double hitch knot. And that is the double hitch knot.